Ever hear a friend talking about a vacation they paid for using points and think, what am I doing wrong? Earning rewards sounds easy, but chasing them can actually do your budget more harm than good. Certified financial planner Barbara Ginty, host of the Future Rich podcast, shares how to rack up credit card rewards without ending up in debt. Tip 1. Budget first, swipe second. Ginty points out that budgeting ensures you're spending within your means and earning rewards on purchases you already planned, not swiping just for the sake of points. Review your top categories like groceries, gas, or travel, and pick a card that fits you. And if it has an annual fee, make sure the perks actually outweigh it. Tip 2. Know your triggers. Be honest with yourself. If credit cards have tripped you up before, chasing points probably won't fix the problem. But as Ginty says, if you can be disciplined about your spending, then utilizing a credit card that will give you rewards is a great way to maximize cash back or fund a vacation. Translation: points only work if you pay in full. Otherwise, that free trip just cost you 24% APR. Tip 3. Avoid these rookie mistakes. If you don't travel, forget airline miles. Go for cash back instead. The right card matches your life, not your friend's Instagram. So the points only matter if you stay disciplined and pay your balance in full. Play the rewards game smart, and you'll earn vacations, not debt collections. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.